some cases, when installing Tableau Desktop, you may run into compatibility issues or some conflicts with the system security. This tends to happen a lot with corporate environments where you're working in companies and you have your IT department putting security settings and all sorts of things on your computer. And maybe the latest version doesn't work, but it may not just be about security. That's okay. There is a workaround to this. If you go to Google and go Tableau, we're going to go to the main site. Then we're going to go to Resources and Support. I'm going to go down here and you're going to see Download, Desktop Prep, Builder, and Server, and you want to see all versions. So click that. And what this shows you is for Tableau Desktop, every version that has been released. The way Tableau do versions is there are 4 versions every year and it's released every quarter. So you have 2020.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, same thing for 2019, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Within each one, there are sub releases and patches. So if I open this one up, you can see that in 2020.4, which is the last quarter of 2020, you have 0.4 and then you got 0.4.1. When you go to the main page of Tableau Desktop and you download it, it always gives you the latest version. If that does not work, you come here, you pick one version earlier, 2020.4, click on that link. That will take you to this page. You can click Download Tableau Desktop right here in the middle. That will take you down to the bottom of the page where there are 2 links, one for Windows and one for Mac. Taking this course, it is okay if you don't have the latest version. In fact, you could probably go all the way back to 2019.1 and still be able to do the course, because in terms of layout, structure, functionality, it hasn't really changed that much. The core concept of Tableau is still the same, all the way, actually even earlier than this in my experiences. And that means you can still do it with an older version. However, I have not run into anyone who has had trouble installing beyond, let's say, 2020.2. So the earliest in terms of like issues maybe is 2020.2 and earlier. You know, it's not a problem. The latest they get is probably 2020.2, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn the entire Tableau platform, consider enrolling into my course. It's one of the highest ranking courses on Udemy, and enrolling today, you'll be joining the almost 200,000 students that have enjoyed my courses over the years. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you in the course.